Hi guys, hello everyone. This is a quick guide on how to install Python 3.8. I currently have Python 3.7, 3.74, and I intend to upgrade to the latest Python 3.8, which gives you a lot of extra features, including the walrus operator, positional arguments, and so on and so forth. Right? Um, so how do we start? I use Anaconda. So if I run Python, I'm going to be, if I run Python, it should tell me that I am using my Python with the Anaconda environment, right? Cool. So let's exit. So the goal is to get this to Python 3.8. Now, just as you probably guess right, to install Python 3.8, I want to do many different environments. So you could do conda install c Anaconda. Python is equal to 3.8, but it's going to install in my base environment. I intend to do this in a way that, which is probably safer. It's most likely too early to upgrade your production environment into Python 3.8. So we can create a new environment, right? And do this. So when you do this, you should create a new environment called Python 38, right? And then install Python 3.8. So give that a while and let's see how that goes. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and wait for this to run for a few minutes. I'll be back once it's done. Okay, we are here, and what we have is beginning to ask a few questions. Do you want to install? Yeah, which is typical. I'll just do yes, please go ahead. All right, welcome back. So we are done. That means we can activate Python 3.8. Okay, so that should mean if I come here and I check, I should have, I'm not sure it will matter if I do. This is wrong, so let me close this. Let me run code. Okay, hold on. Just a moment. All right, let's try to run code again. Hopefully this should work. This time it should run in the context of Python 3.8 and with the environment activated. So let's wait and see. Let us wait and see. Okay, so Python 3.8 is active, which is a good thing. I'm going to be, oh, I just got an update. Excellent. Let's close this. I'm going to go command palette. What I'm looking for, right? This guy. And I expect that I should have a Python 3.8. Okay, here we are. So we can just pull up one walrus and use the test. So we are Python walrus, and I expect that I shouldn't throw any errors. Okay, we're good. Oh, allow it to even check Python version, and we are at Python 3.8. Yep, we're good to go. So that brings us to the end of installing Python 3.8. Of course, if you want to install Python 3.8 the normal way, if you do not have Anaconda, just simply go to python.org, right? And it should get us straight to getting the latest version of Python, right? So thank you very much, and we will see in another video. Cheers.